My colleague Amit Bhardwaj is now joining us live for more on this. Amit, what more can you tell us about the Aam Aadmi Party? While they did say that the Chief Minister has taken cognizance of the shameful incident that did take place in his residence on Monday, we saw the Chief Minister not take any questions on it yesterday at that press conference in Lucknow, and Bibhav Kumar was still standing with him. Are they supporting Bibhav Kumar? What is the Aam Aadmi Party telling you?
Pallavi, two statements have
Amit, just for a moment, we're getting some pictures of Swati Maliwal.
She left with...
Okay, that was Swati Maliwal. Those were live pictures that were coming in. Swati Maliwal seems to have left her residence in a vehicle. We'll try and get more details. Remember, our colleague was telling us, Arvind was telling us earlier, that she is slated to possibly record a statement before a magistrate under Section 164 CRPC today. So we'll track those developments. Amit is continuing to be with us. Amit, what more can you tell us about what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying about this incident, which they've acknowledged was a shameful and condemnable incident that took place inside the Chief Minister's residence?
Right, Pallavi. Two statements have been issued by Aam Aadmi Party, and both have been given by Sanjay Singh. We saw as to how Sanjay Singh was the one who had confirmed this assault case, saying that, misbehavior and misconduct had happened with Swati Maliwal, and this was done by Bibhav Kumar, the former PS to Delhi CM. And yesterday, while Arvind Kejriwal was asked about Swati Maliwal assault case, the response again came from Sanjay Singh itself, saying that Swati Maliwal is very much part of the Aam Aadmi Party family and that the issue is being taken in the internal forum, while Sanjay Singh also attacked the BJP on the issue of women's safety and security. But, as far as the party's matter is concerned, until yesterday, they were of understanding that while Swati is not filing a formal complaint with the police, the matter will be taken up in the internal forums of the party because both the members concerned were very much part of the Aam Aadmi Party and are considered close aides of Arvind Kejriwal, be it Bibhav Kumar or Swati Maliwal. But after that formal complaint that was lodged by Swati Maliwal with the Delhi police, she recorded her statement, the FIR was registered, the medical has been done last night. The situation has changed. So we'll have to, the Aam Aadmi Party must be reassessing the entire situation, whether this can be now taken further in the internal platforms or whether they should actually leave the entire issue on the agencies, the Delhi police and the course of law to take, the legal process to proceed forward, because now it's between Bibhav Kumar and Swati Maliwal. It's a legal battle that needs to be fought. So the party must be reassessing that entire situation, because now from the internal communication channels or the internal forums of the party, things have actually gone out of hand. Now it's a legal matter that needs to be fought out, and it will be very much between Swati Maliwal and Bibhav Kumar. What must be, what must have relieved the party for now is that in the FIR and in the statement as well, Arvind Kejriwal has not been named by Swati Maliwal, because initially you would remember as to how there were several narratives coming out that how the assault happened, whether Arvind Kejriwal's name could be given by Swati Maliwal. So sources had told us last night itself, those close to Swati Maliwal had told us that Arvind Kejriwal has not been named in the FIR, neither in the statement.
There is a likelihood because this incident took place at the Chief Minister's residence.